Subscribe Mr. Avina's YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates on travel, lifestyle and tutorial videos coming every week. Hey guys, Avinash here, and yeah, I'm back with another video where I'll be unboxing a product which I've been waiting for so many days. So the product which I'm going to unbox today is the Canon G7X Mark II, which is like the best vlogging camera out there, and I'm totally excited to show you guys how the camera is and whatever stuff you get in the box. This will be just the unboxing because I still have to figure out all the settings and how to use this camera properly. So I'll be uploading the review soon because I'm also a first time user for this camera, and yeah, I've never used any Canon product. So yeah, let's get started with the video. There is a cover which I got for free with this package when I bought it from an e-commerce site. So yeah, let's unbox this first and then get to the box. And yeah, this is a power shot pouch cover for your camera to carry around. And yeah, this looks awesome. I don't think if it's waterproof or something, but yeah, there's space for you to carry your camera here. Black red finish pouch for your Canon G7X Mark II. So yeah, let's get started with the unboxing of the camera finally. And yeah, as you can see the box, you will see half of the camera, and there's a 16 GB memory card inside, which I didn't know while buying it online. And also I got a 2 years extended warranty, which also was not mentioned on the website, and they were selling it for extra, like I had to pay for it. But yeah, there is 2 years warranty if you go and register on s.canon.co.in. So yeah, let's open the box now. 1, 2 and 3. The box is open now, and as you can see there is this card for your 1+1 2 years warranty and some customer care details, the getting started manual for your Canon G7X Mark II, and yeah, that's the 16 GB memory card from Canon which you get for free. Then you get, I think, the cable for your charger for charging your camera batteries. And yeah, this is the camera, but we'll open this later. The cover, and yeah, that's the charger. Then there's the string which you can use to vlog around. If you are not using a tripod, you can just put this in your hand and put the camera on the other end and just start vlogging. And the final product in the box, not the final, like the battery. And yeah, this is a battery pack, NB13L 1250 mAh. And yeah, I have to test this out on how much recording that I can do with this camera. So that video I'll be making, showing on how this camera works and how's the performance and stuff. And finally, the most awaited camera which I wanted to buy for so long. This 1, 2, 3, and yeah guys, check this out, the Canon G7X Mark II. Finally I am holding this in my hand, and yeah, it's quite handy. This is the first time I'm holding this camera, and that's the flip back. As you can see, there are so many keys which I need to try this out later. So let's switch it on. Okay, so to flip the screen you just need to pull this, and that's it. That becomes your vlogging camera, and you can move around and see yourself on the LCD screen while you are recording. Then we have the power button, and the mic is here, which is really awesome, helping you to record from both hands, from front and back. You'll get the same results of audio. There won't be difference in the audio quality. So as you can see, there are lots of modes which I will try out later. Then there's some more buttons in the back, this is the record button, some function changes, the menu button and other stuff. But yeah, I'll switch this on and let's check this camera out. So the battery goes here with the card, and let's switch it on. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. And as you can see, the lens is out. Yeah, you cannot change the lens and also put a mic on this, but as you can see, the settings mode is on. I need to set the date and time. I'll be choosing Delhi, and yeah, the date and time is set. Click around and focus this stuff. So yeah, that's it for the Canon G7X Mark II unboxing, and soon I'll be uploading another video on how this works and the performance, because I'm going on a long trip soon. And yeah guys, I'm shooting this part on the Canon G7X Mark II, and as you can see, the quality of the video is like really awesome, and I'm just holding it around and recording this. So the next video about Canon G7X Mark II will be up soon, where I'll be showing you guys all the settings which you need to do, because I also have to learn this. I have never used this camera, so it will be a first time users experience for you guys. So yeah, hope you like this unboxing. See you guys in the next one, and yeah, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, because most of the videos come every week, and yeah, I've started to post from 2 to 3 videos every week. So yeah, more content for you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye. So yeah, next video about the Canon G7X